Sure.
What year is the car?
2022.
Okay. Okay, turn on your left turn signal. Turn it off. Right turn signal. Turn it off. Press your foot on brake. Take it off brake. Blow your horn. Left turn signal. Turn it off. Right turn signal. Turn it off. Alright, if it's clear, you're gonna back all the way out of the parking spot into the driveway. Face the street, and I'm gonna come around and get inside.
Sure.
Let's move forward. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna come around the back.
Sure.
You're gonna go right out of the parking lot.
Sure.
Stay in the right lane.
Okay, ma'am.
At the light, you're gonna make a right. And keep straight, because you're pulling out in front of a car. Go, let's go. You kind of pulled out in front of them.
Which way, ma'am?
You're gonna make a right at the light. Stay to the right. Keep straight. Stay to the right. You're gonna make a right at the light. to the right. Turn right in the first driveway. I'm gonna drive all the way around back to the other side. Drive on down till we find a spot. Ooh, last one. All right, you passed.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're gonna take this paperwork with you to any station to be issued. She said give y'all this copy too. And you know you don't have a license yet until you pay for it, so you still gotta ride with a licensed driver.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Uh-huh.